Hello, my name is Robin Gribben. My husband Jay and I can't wait to take you on our next adventure as we're making memories one day at a time.
Morning, Vern. We're burn and burn. Look, we got the same type of clothes on there. We all looking the same.
We all have the uniform on.
Yes.
Easy to find.
Yes. We get lost souls.
Yeah. So headed off to St. Louis today to see
the McDonald's inspiration for the Golden Arches.
Yes. We're gonna ride the little eggs up to the top.
Yep.
And then we're gonna go find some barbecue for lunch.
Pappy's Barbecue, best in the world.
And then we're going to the beer factory.
The Budweiser plant, they're giving away free cases of 30 packs of Natural Light. Yeah, doggies. That's where we're going.
We're gonna drink us some beer because there ain't no bears anywhere.
No bears. No
just
bears.
Beers.
I think Laura already did that.
Ouch.
Yeah, that's why you're hunched over. Yeah.
Was I lying?
No, you're not lying.
Nope, you
What's your
weren't.
language?
Watch your noggin and then you sit back. Yeah, don't sit back, yeah. I just did that. Said you were hunched because of that.
Yeah, I still got my pouch.
I can sit up straight.
Still got my
here.
kangaroo pouch on.
Oh, okay.
There you go. See, being short has its privileges.
Yes.
I tried to explain to these people that full-size human beings are in here all scrunched together and scrunched over. They didn't believe me. Now look at me. Somebody's going to have to unfold me out that door when we're done.
Ladies and gentlemen, the doors will be closing momentarily. Please keep your hands, feet, and any personal belongings inside the tram. Enjoy your trip to the top.
Point of correction, I don't want the doors to close momentarily. I want them to close and stay closed. There. Yeah, this is different from when I rode it because the doors were, you didn't see anything.
Oh,
Really? Well, that's kind of weird.
That would be even creepier.
That'd be kind of creepy. A little harder.
But it's kind of nice that I guess they keep people from being close to them.
Yeah, it's cool. You can see.
Well, and you can see all the inner structure and stuff. Yeah.
See the innards.
Part of the 1,076 steps.
It's like being one of those cameras you swallow for a colonoscopy.
There's Pappy's.
Willie Nelson.
Willie Nelson. Yeah, dude, we smoke.
Take a picture of the hat. With a side of, she wanted the fried corn, damn it. What do you want for a side?
What kind of French fries?
What kind of French fries you have? Are they just sweet potato fries or
have regular French fries as well?
Okay.
regular French fries and what else?
Green beans.
And green beans.
Green beans.
And I'll have the half slab with the combo, half slab combo with brisket.
Brisket. And your 2 sides?
Coleslaw and baked beans. Oh, and this hat that I'm walking around.
That too.
Yeah, the hat I'm trying to steal.
Very wood, about 4.5 hours. Give it a whirl, have fun with it.
Will do.
Awesome.
Thanks, John. I appreciate it.
Let's place that trigger, you got your neighbors along.
Look how they look how that just keeps rotating like that.
Yeah, it's a big rotisserie. Yep.
This,
So those will cook 18 to 20 hours.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That's amazing.
Deliciousness.
Yes, it is.
Hey guys, thanks for including us on your road trip around the country. Thanks from Pappy's Smokehouse. Appreciate you.
Right, thank you. Cheers. Welcome to the Anheuser-Busch, St. Louis, Missouri.
Ready? Whatever we spin to, them peoples here at Dairy Queen give us a free one. You ready? There it is, got a free god darn s'mores.